My name is Asaad Joubran. I am the business development lead of India for a startup called Zipline. We're a California-based company, and we do drones. We design, manufacture, and operate our own drones to deliver vital medicines across the globe. So drones globally are becoming more common, mainly in healthcare business. So you have drones that delivering medical products to health facilities in many areas. They deliver blood, vaccines, medications. Some other drones, they deliver blood samples for diagnostic purposes, so they can fly from one location to another location. So there is a trend globally that is developing over the last few years, the number of companies worldwide that will improve the supply chain of healthcare across the globe. And that's something that we see every year is developing quicker and quicker, and will grow more and more soon. Yeah. So globally, you have a number of few number of countries that already are applying this technology on a national scale. So for example, Rwanda is a state that started applying drone technologies for healthcare. Today they cover all of their health facilities in the state of Rwanda using drones. So basically every hospital that needs any medical product, they call the distribution center of the drone company, and they get what they ordered within a few minutes. So as a new technology, it has challenges as any other technology. First of all is to get the permits from the regulators to fly, to use the skies, to fly these drones and operate them the way this technology operates. That's the first challenge. The other one is how to integrate into the current supply chain of healthcare in these countries and these markets that these drone companies are interested to work in. And the current supply chain doesn't work with drones, so that's a new thing. And that's a challenge, how to integrate that into their system. So Zipline, we are a California-based company. We design, manufacture, and operate our own drones. We today operate in Rwanda and in Ghana. Soon we're going to start operating as well in North Carolina in the US. And in India. In India, we're in advanced discussions with a number of states in India, and we're looking forward to start working in India very soon. So in our model today, this drone system, though it's a new technology, its cost is very competitive. And the economic savings that this technology can produce are reflected not only on the cost saving of direct logistics, but also other equipment and indirect savings that this technology can result in. In Zipline, we have just one type of a drone that we use, a UAV. We call it a Zip, and we launch it from a distribution center that we set up. A distribution center that has a warehouse where we store all the medical commodities, blood units, vaccines, and medical supplies. And once we get an order, we send the drone with the box that has the product. We have around 20 to 30 drones at each facility. So we can simultaneously send a number of drones at the same time. If there's a case that they need more than one package, so we can send them all together at one time. That's also possible. So India is quite a very interesting market for many reasons. For drones in healthcare mainly, we see there's a big gap in the supply chain of health in India between remote areas and urban areas. So with this technology, basically, we create access for delivery of any medical products to remote areas. Something that can be very helpful for the health system in India, because most of the population in India lives outside the urban areas. So India, for us as a company and for this technology, could be a very good use case on how new technologies can significantly impact health outcomes. Because the more you get medications, life-saving medicines, or blood to these remote areas, the better your health indicators is as a state.